In this video, we're going to talk about what is inside will always come out. Hi, I'm artist, DJ, and author Michael Joseph, and on this video, we're going to talk about what is inside of you is going to come out. And I mean by what you are feeling or sensing or whatever's inside will eventually come out. I always like to use the analogy of a bottle. You fill that bottle full of a liquid and you can set it on a table or countertop and nothing much will happen. But if you pick that bottle up and you start shaking that bottle around, whatever's inside is going to come out. And we are just like that. When things get shaken up in our life, whatever's inside comes out, whether that's anger, calmness, happiness, revenge. It could be 1,000 different things. Sorrow, complaint, whatever. We all know, we have all felt those things. And today I want to talk to you about looking inside to what's there and how to face it and maybe fix it over time. Because trust me, it's not going to be something that you just change and it's done. But we all have something. So first, pay attention to the things that are going on in your life. Pay attention to the things you say. When you're in conversation with friends or family or something like that, pay attention to what you post online, because what you post, your reactions to things and people or posts on things are telling you what's inside. So if you say, I'm chasing my dream, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and then all of a sudden you throw up a post about being super unhappy and the world's not fair and you're angry, that's what's inside. That's what's coming out when things get shaken up. So like I said, just like that bottle, you have to pay attention. When things get shaken up, what's inside's coming out. So what comes out may not always be pretty. Another way to take a look at what's inside is a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. And I've always loved this quote. And the quote is, "Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people." So what you're talking about on an everyday basis, whether it be, again, back to what you're posting, whether you're talking to a friend or whatever, all of these things tell you what's inside. I can't tell you what's inside. I can't tell you where it came from. At some point that has been built up inside of you. And if you don't face it now, if you don't look at it and examine it and try to change what is inside you, it's always going to keep coming out every time something is shaken up. So if you could, do your best, as always, to take a look what's inside. Try to get control over what's inside your bottle before things get really shaken up in your life. As always, take care of yourself, and more importantly, take care of each other, because it is a crazy world out there. God bless.